In this video, I'll show you how to get credit using the Temu app. If you find this video useful, please leave a like and subscribe to our channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight to the video. Alright, if you haven't done so already, open up the Temu app. And then once here, you'll be brought to the home page. And if you scroll down a little bit, it's got an option that says earn credits and free gifts. So go ahead and click into that. And now everyone's page will look different than mine. It might look similar because depending what region you are, I'm in Australia. So right down the bottom, it will say redeem credit. You got all these other games you can play to get free gifts if you'd like to do that. So, but from here, I'm going to click on redeem credit. So get now. And now another way to get credit is refer your friends. So tell your friends they can participate in the activity and also enjoy playing the deals in Temu. You can get the tickets upon successful referrals. Use tickets to spin for coins and collect 400 coins for the $400 reward. So as it says here, I'm only 42 coins short to reach the goal. So if I go ahead and click on refer friends now, I can get credits that way. So if I exit out of that, and there's a game here, there's all different games you can play. So right now I've got this game. So if I go ahead and click on spin, this also will give me free credit. So it's giving me epic win, so it's giving me 5 credit, and because I've got a bonus and double coins, it's actually 10. So almost there. If I get another 32 more coins, I can get 400, which will give me $400 Oz. And now it's giving me all these different gift upgrades, etc. So yeah, that's the gist of that. But another way to get free credit, or get credit, sorry, on Temu, is say if you order something on Temu and it arrives late, you can apply to get credit because they made a promise to deliver it by that time and they didn't make that promise. So now they will reward you with free credit, which is pretty cool to know. And another way you can get free credit is if you return an item on Temu, you can choose to be refunded on credit.